guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know you all are eagerly waiting for the Madhubani vlog, but it was my mother's birthday and we decided to film the surprise that we were doing and everything. So yeah, and we also wanted to record her reactions just in we wanted to do it, so we are doing it. Okay. So, what we plan to do is, by which I mean is me and my father, we plan to give a midnight surprise. Like every birthday has that thing, and a birthday isn't complete without that. So, we decided to do that. Well, we planned it as a surprise, and she was not expecting it because we were like, हम बहुत थक गए हैं अब हमें नहीं करना है कुछ, we're going to sleep and we pretended to sleep also. But my sister Sachi, she came in, and my mother, she heard her voice, and she woke up. So it was not a surprise, but yes, still a surprise. So we have decided to surprise my mother. It's her birthday. She's doing something on the phone, very busy people. She's so busy doing something on the phone, not getting up, getting out of the bed for our surprise.
I was sleeping. It was happy a good birthday. Thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday, happy birthday, happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
चलो
I got up.
Happy birthday. She's seeing some video. We know which video.
It is a birthday surprise for me, so that's why I
Birthday
was.
surprise for her it is.
Hello. Okay. So okay. फोकस करोगे बिल्कुल फेस पे. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
स्टॉप कर लो बेटा.
That is Sachi, and that is my mommy, that is my nani, also her mother,
Hey Chachu.
and this is my mother, that is my mama,
Father
and he is my father.
lighting
And
the
this is
candles,
the cake that I made.
and we are lighting the cake.
Well, there is some kind of fail in it, but okay.
केक कौन काटेगा?
But also,
केक कौन काटेगा? केक.
we have also got one surprise for her.
What is this? Oh my God! Happy birthday.
Happy.
Oh, it's so heavy. But what is this? I can't imagine what it will be. Oh my God!
You better not drop it.
Wow! Happy birthday. This who has
पानी है.
this one? Oh wow! Beta
Papa
ji.
has done it.
Oh wow! So
ये
Iba. चाचू मेरी रानी चल के कर. चलो blow the candle. आजाओ. Blow the candle. First blow the candle. Everyone, both Bui and Butiji will blow the candle. Happy birthday.
नहीं रुको तो.
इधर से सामने से
चलो फूको.
फूको दे सारे फूको दो
Happy birthday to dear Dua. Happy birthday to you. Clapping, Chachi, clapping.
तो प्रणाम के
क्या लगता है क्या है?
What it can be? मैंने तभी कुछ ऐसा. Is it aquarium for me? चाचू आजा. तो लग गया क्या जान? आजा. Oh wow, LED light. Is it a new aquarium. Oh, I got it. I got like guessed it very correctly. Oh wow, great.
Taju.
Ooh, where is my machli for this? Nahi. Oh yes, beta. इधर से आजा पाली. मैं आई रहा हूँ. Oh, I loved it. It's aquarium.
Aquarium है aquarium.
Oh, great, great, great.
Happy birthday, Mate. I love you so much. Today is your day. In fact, in my life, it's like every day. Every day is Mother's Day, every day is Teacher's Day, and you know that. These are just some words of appreciation that I wanted to say to you. Like, first of all, I admire you the most in my life because you are like a wonderful teacher, a wonderful mother, a wonderful human being, a great friend who teaches me a lot.
This song is for those who inspire us today, who always lend a helping hand to help show us the way. This song is for those who see their students through the tough times in their lives. For that we say thank you. You have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the world, one child at a time. You have always been there in everything you do. I hope that you're as proud of me as I am proud of you. This song is for those who heard the silent cries, who stepped in to wipe the tears from the children's eyes. For those who gave us a safe place to grow, a place for us to call our home. Forever we will know that you have made a difference. You have shaped our minds. You have changed the
Much later.
Blow a candle. Go, girl.
आगे आगे आगे
बेटा देखो शीशे का टूट जाएगा।
सटा हुआ है वो।
हाँ उसमें रॉकेट चलाने वाला है।
अब उसको ऐसा बात बोलेगा तो सोचेगा मेरे काम का कुछ है।
तब तो लव की बात है। आजा बेटा। चॉकलेट फेशियल हो गया मेरा।
सबको थोड़ा केक खिलाइए।
थोड़ा खिलाइए और थोड़ा खाइए, थोड़ा और लगाइए।
आओ आनंद आगे।
थोड़ा ही खाइए,
थोड़ा लगाइए।
आनंद पीछे आनंद। पीछे आनंद है
आपने खाइए।
मंटी पकड़ो खा लिया ना केक
रुक बेटा।
उसको खिला भाई छोटी बच्ची को खिला
पूरा पीस डाल के
मुझे
So thank you for watching. She liked all the surprises as you just saw. I hope that you also liked the video as much as she liked the surprises. Also keep watching and stay tuned for the Madhubani vlog. And till then, bye bye.